The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by the Roof Resource. The Roof Resource is a relatively new addition to Central Texas, and the company aims to provide transparent, affordable, high-quality roof replacement options for homeowners and businesses. Owner and operator Mike Staples is here to tell us more. And Mike, I always want to honor the fact that you have served our country. So first of all, thank you as an Army veteran. We appreciate you for your service.
Thank you so much, Rosie.
You have changed day jobs, so to speak. You've gotten into the roofing business after a pain point of your own. Can you talk to us about what makes the Roof Resource different from other companies? Because this was the place that you chose that said, hey, they're solving a lot of the problems I've had.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the biggest thing that we're doing differently is we are treating homeowners the way that they should be treated. What I mean by that is if you're a homeowner right now looking to get your roof replaced, you're probably calling 3 to 5 different vendors. They're gonna come to your home. They're gonna give you a 1 to 3 hour, high pressure sales pitch. And they're gonna leave you with a quote that might be a little bit confusing, not too transparent, gonna leave you wondering, like, what am I paying for? With the Roof Resource, we make things simple, transparent, and affordable to homeowners. Our goal is to empower homeowners through a 20 to 30 minute virtual presentation that gets them prepared to make a decision about what's right for their home.
And so the next question I want to ask you is, how much should a roof replacement really cost?
Yeah, so we use something called the roof truth. What that means is, what is the true cost to replace your roof? And that cost is built out of a few different components. It's the cost of labor, the cost of materials, the cost of your dumpster, and our flat fee to project manage your job. That's the roof truth, the true cost to replace your roof.
Let's talk about what some of your customers have been able to save thanks to, your work over retail roofing.
I think this is probably where I get most excited as a homeowner. This is the reason why I got into the business. Replacing your roof is probably one of the most significant investments that most homeowners make. So when we talk about savings, we're not talking about saving homeowners hundreds or thousands of dollars. It's $10,000 on average. Wow. Is what we're saving them.
Any asks of our audience for today?
Yeah, I think my biggest ask of the audience today is, if you're considering getting a roof replacement, please reach out to me. I can give you a quote in under 24 hours, and I guarantee that a 30-minute investment of your time with me will leave you feeling more empowered to make the best decision for you and for your home, even if that's not with our company. If that's with some other company instead, that's totally fine. I'm just here to help. So call me. I'm the one that answers the phone, and I'd love to speak with you.
Oh, Mike, that's so helpful. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, Rosie.
Homeowners looking for a high-quality, transparent, cost-saving roofing solution can learn more by going to the website on your screen or by calling 512-590-9281. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by the Roof Resource.